Which of those issues is most important for the public confidence in this process?
Emotions have been high throughout this case. Karmelo Anthony's supporters had hoped 2 days of testimony would lead to a new trial, but that was denied. Meanwhile, Austin Metcalf's family has fought to keep Anthony in prison. During that hearing, both sides heard disturbing and graphic details about both Karmelo Anthony and Austin Metcalf's past.
I know that there's a lot of emotions, a lot of feelings right now, and a lot of that is because this is the first time that people heard a lot of this stuff.
Anthony's attorneys argued restrictions on public access, including limited seating and no overflow courtroom, violated his right to a public trial. And they said an agreement between the two sides to keep character information out of the trial fell apart, so Karmelo Anthony didn't take the stand to claim self-defense. A judge said after hearing and looking at all of the evidence, Anthony isn't getting a new trial.
I think it violates his Sixth Amendment rights that states that defendants face justice in open court rather than behind closed doors, protecting fairness, transparency, and accountability in the legal system. I believe that public trials is a way to gain the public's trust, because if you see the process happening in your face, legally incorrect, it may boost the community's confidence in the system. So with all of these these facts or whatever, I feel like the courtroom access was something that was very important, because that's something that could have just been basically handed out there. Like, hey, the courtroom is open to the public for you guys to come in, and y'all basically said, nope, forget about it. So that's the most important topic for me.
You brought this up when we first addressed it, and we looked into it because there was another case, a high school student, white kid who killed a Latino kid or something like that down there in Texas, who only got 10 years or something like that. Same situation, same basically exact situation, not at a track meet or whatnot, but high school kid in Texas who killed a classmate. And so, I think there's some unfairness here, and this is why you're having Karmelo's team do what they do. You need to have public access and people being able to ensure that this case is being viewed equally. And when you don't allow enough public perception into the case and have the public's presence there and fair observation and fair viewpoint on it, then it does make an imbalance there. I don't know why Karmelo Anthony's attorneys are not harping on that case to this same kid in Texas that just got 10 years.
If it's the same circumstances, why is he getting 35 years? Well, hopefully we get some more information and he can get a new trial.